So, it's the new year, and I take it we all have our New Year's resolutions, do you? Probably a lot of people are determined that this year is the time they're gonna get their weight under control. Maybe shake a ton or two, and they probably vow they're never gonna eat crisps or chips again. Well, I'm sorry to say, but that probably just won't work. Why? Because in my wisdom, I'm gonna tell you it is best to replace a bad habit with a good habit. So I mean, instead of saying you're never gonna eat chips or crisps again, rather replace them with something good. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you a little life hack. It is, instead of eating crisps or cookies or whatever, we eat cucumbers. Yeah, I know, you probably think, cucumbers, well. But no, it's actually good. But the secret is you must buy them fresh. They must be fresh when you buy them, and you must eat them within 2 or 3 days. 3 days might be a bit too much. So no, they must be fresh and crunchy, because it's probably the crunchiness that you are gonna get addicted to, and also the feeling afterwards. So what you're gonna do is very simple. First we rinse our cucumber well. Just cut your cucumber up into little wheels. Goes very quickly. As you can see, this cucumber is not very fresh. It is about 5 days old. Do not eat cucumbers like this. They must be nice and white. Also here around the ring, you'll see it starts to darken and become greenish, dark green. You do not want that. It means the taste is gonna be off. So note that these are simply for demonstration. You can even cut the wheels a little bit thinner than this. Actually, it's not bad. But yeah, it could be a little bit fresher. So you eat your little cucumber wheels. Whenever you want to eat crisps or chips or cookies, eat cucumber wheels. But they must be fresh, otherwise the taste start to become a little bit sour. Sour or bitter, no, sour, I would say. Acidic, and you don't want that. It's actually still good. So eat it very fresh. Now, something you'll notice is that it's weird, but after eating a cucumber like this, it lifts my mood and I just feel a lot better afterwards. Like I'm all awake and I want to do stuff, and I just feel better about life in general. And of course, there's knowing that you're now eating something healthy instead of eating your potato chips or maize crisps with all the dangerous chemicals and oils and fats. What are the good fats? Is it trans fats or is that the bad one? Well, who cares? As long as you're eating cucumbers, you don't have to worry about anything like that. So, let's celebrate that. I hope that this tip actually helps you, this life hack, because of course with this, you will not gain weight. It won't fatten you like that other stuff will. So stay away from the other stuff. Eat your cucumber wheels, but they must be fresh so they can be crispy and crunchy. Now, since you like health, hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And this is gonna be one good year for your weight loss journey.